Okay, so if you watched the last video, I showed you how to make this rigatoni bake, which is basically the same recipe that I use for ziti. And there's the finished product. I did stir it up a little bit to get some of the cheese more toward the top. Sometimes the top can get a little bit hardened. I cooked it for 25 minutes. I think I said between 20 and 30 minutes in the video. I actually did it for 25 minutes. Some of the top was a little bit crunchy, so I kind of just stirred it up a little bit there. And there is the finished product, and it's got some chicken sausages in there. And I'm going to taste it. I already know it's going to be awesome, but let's just see. Okay. Oh, that's great. And the other thing is I'm going to put some of this Parmesan cheese on there. That helps as well. As I mentioned in the video, though, this is actually the type of thing that tastes better tomorrow. So while I'm eating this for dinner, I'm actually going to probably have some for breakfast and lunch as well. Something about putting it in the refrigerator overnight. It actually seems to make all the cheese and the pasta and the sauce gel together and taste really good. So there it is, the rigatoni bake. This is John. Thanks for watching.